Welcome back, classic car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of 1980s project cars and parts. From old school muscle to rugged trucks, these 10 vintage vehicles, starting as low as $400, are waiting to be brought back to life. Let's get started. 1. 1986 Chrysler LeBaron Sedan 4-door, $1,000. Location, Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. An old school muscle car with lots of potential. The seller suggests it could be a simple fix, possibly just needing a thermostat. It's not in running condition, but could be a rewarding project for someone with experience. Interior shows its age, but still has some life. Two, 1985 Jeep Cherokee, $1,000. Location, Joplin, Missouri. Equipped with ARB lockers and 4555 gears, this Jeep doesn't run and lacks a title. The engine needs attention, but the body is in decent shape. It could be an excellent off-road project or parts vehicle for the right buyer. 3. 1983 Ford F-150 regular cab Explorer, $1,000. Location, Canyon, Texas. This F-150 runs and drives, but it has a salvage title, so it's strictly a parts truck. The engine struggles, possibly due to bad gas, making it a perfect candidate for a project truck or a hunting vehicle. 4. 1984 Chevrolet S10 pickup 2-door. Location, Brookston, Indiana. A rough but restorable 41-year-old truck. It's running but needs several repairs, including a new heater core and rear main seal. It could be a good base for an LS engine swap or a source of parts. 5. 1986 Pontiac Fiero GT, $750. Location, Glen Carbon, Illinois. Once intended for a restoration and motor swap, this Fiero is still solid but requires work. The engine knocks badly, and it can't be driven far. The frame is rust-free, and the seller is including extra parts. 6. 1986 Ford F-150 regular cab, $400. Location, Charleston, Illinois. The engine runs great, but the body is in terrible condition. The seller mentions a wooden bed and some salvageable parts like good glass and doors. The truck is best suited for someone looking to salvage its engine and other components. 7. 1989 Ford F-150 regular cab XLT Lariat, $1,000. Location Long Lane, Missouri. With a bent frame, this truck isn't roadworthy, but the 5.0 engine and new performance brake parts make it a valuable parts donor. The interior is in surprisingly good shape for its age. 8. 1989 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2-door, $450. Location, Fort Worth, Texas. This Camaro was used as a movie car before it was wrecked. It has a good 305 TBI engine and a clean title, making it a solid option for anyone needing parts or a serious restoration project. 9. 1989 bus, $1,000. Location, Colby, Kansas. Originally intended to be a party bus, this 1989 Bluebird comes with a Chevy 454 engine and a wheelchair lift. It's been sitting for several years and needs the driveline reinstalled, but could make an interesting conversion project. 10. 1984 Dodge D150, $1,000. Location, Perry, Arkansas. This D150 has a 318 engine with aftermarket parts like a cam and electric fuel pump. However, the transmission is cracked and the truck has been sitting for 4 years, so it will need a thorough overhaul to get back on the road. Ideal for engine or part swapping. Thanks for watching. If you're into classic car restoration or hunting for parts, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't miss out on more awesome finds like these. See you in the next one.